Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network. All that's needed is for the judge to give the green light on the Archdiocese plans to sell its Hotel Action property to TF Investment LLC to pay off settlements in the church sex abuse cases. But it's going to take much more if anyone thinks it plans to sell any local churches or schools. Attorney Ford Alcacer represents the Archdiocese in its bankruptcy case.
These parishes were all built by the parishioners. You know, there isn't some magic supply of money or material from a diocese to build parishes. Parishioners build parishes, and parishioners own parishes, and there is no intent of any kind of the Archdiocese to sell any parishes and schools.
A committee of unsecured creditors, however, has filed an adversary complaint for declaratory judgment, essentially seeking clarification from the court to determine that all vehicles, churches, and schools are in fact assets and property of the Archdiocese. Attorney Alcacer, however, says they are only held in trust.
He can't sell, pick any of the 26 parishes. The cathedral, for example. He cannot sell the cathedral. He cannot sell any of the smaller parishes. There is a process within canon law that would prohibit him from selling them for these purposes.
Attorney Alcacer says there's case law to support this trust relationship.
The best analogy I can give is if you had a disabled family member or a parent who could no longer care for themselves, so you became their conservator or guardian or trustee, and you would hold their money and maybe even the title to their home, but everybody knows that you don't own it. They still own it, but you're holding it in trust for them. Mm-hmm. And that's really the relationship we believe legally exists. In other words, that the parishes are owned for the benefit of the parishioners. They're not like the hotel where the Archdiocese can sell the hotel and use the money to pay the claims for clergy sexual abuse.
Alcacer will be filing the church's response in about a month and a half. The Committee of Unsecured Creditors was appointed in March by the Office of the U.S. Trustee. Serving on the committee are the Bank of Guam and several of the clergy sexual abuse survivors.
I think it's really unfortunate because I'm sure as it gets further out in the news, it's going to create a fear factor out there, and I don't think that really helps. Mm-hmm. The process, but obviously they're the committee. They have a right to file this lawsuit. We disagree with the assertions, but we'll ultimately, hopefully, either get the whole case resolved or perhaps this matter will get decided by the court sometime in the future.
Until the matter is resolved, mediation is on hold. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Sabrina Salas, Matanani. Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.